How to transfer your crypto from KuCoin to BuyBits. Now, when you're trying to transfer a crypto from one app to another or one wallet to another, the first thing to understand is that, let's see, it's a mobile banking app, right? How do you transfer money on a mobile banking app? Either by having the QR code, either by having their bank account number, right? So similarly is the case on cryptocurrencies as well. If you want to send crypto from one app or one wallet to another wallet, you need to have the deposit address of the other wallet that you're trying to receive to. So here in this case is ByBit, so make sure that you've copied the ByBit wallet address and exactly the crypto of which you want to receive. So if it's Bitcoin that you're trying to send, you have to copy the Bitcoin wallet address, and once you've done that, you can simply open up KuCoin. Now, since we're trying to send Bitcoin, you can simply go to assets, and if you have got certain amount of Bitcoin, you'll find the withdraw option. Now, unfortunately, in my case, I don't have any sort of crypto, so you're not seeing withdraw, but if you do, you'll find the withdraw option here. When you select that withdraw option, you'll be able to paste the wallet address of the ByBit wallet address that you copied, and you simply have to paste them here, and once you've done that, you'll be able to send your cryptocurrency. This way you can transfer your crypto from KuCoin to ByBit. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.